Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope so that you all are fine and good. God bless you. Keep smiling and always be happy. So friends, you all know that my all previous videos are related to different type of woman hairstyling, hair cutting, hair coloring ideas. Different hair ideas are used in my all the previous videos. I hope so you will love my all the previous collection. Today we are presenting amazing and fabulous woman feather haircut. These are so beautiful and so stunning. I hope you will love this collection. So guys, here are some trendy woman feather haircut ideas that you can consider. The first is a classic feather cut, a timeless style feathering soft layered feather throughout the hair. It works well with both straight and wavy texture. Now the next is a feather bang. Incorporate feather bang that blend seamlessly into longer layer. This look add a youthful touch and frame the face beautifully. Now next is a long feather layer. For long hair, feather layer create movement and volume. This style is perfect for those looking to add texture without sacrificing length. So now the next is a short feather bob, a chic bob cut with feather and provide a modern and sophisticated look. The feathering adds softness and dimension. Now the next is a medium length feather cut, a shoulder length cut with feather layer give a stylish versatile option that can be worn sleek or tousled. Now the next is a texture feather cut. This style combines feathering with choppy layer for a more edgy and playful appearance. It's great for adding volume and dimension. And now the next is a asymmetrical feather cut. An asymmetrical style with feathering on one side create a unique and trendy look. This option is bold and eye-catching. So guys, these feather haircut ideas can be customized to suit various hair type and face shape, allowing for your personalized touch that enhance your features. We hope so that you will love this collection. So guys, if you love these ideas, you can download this video and you can take screenshot which one you like. And if you want more and more hairstyling, hair cutting, hair coloring ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After subscribing my channel, you will receive latest and fabulous updates related to hairstyling, hair cutting ideas. Be connected with me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.